Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
On the side, and I call in, I'm not feeling good today. I have to be on set. And so one funny thing, we're shooting this film up in a small village outside of Ibadan, which I'm still trying to learn how to pronounce. So you'll forgive me, please. Ibadan. So we're shooting the film out there, and it was supposed to be one day shooting. They said one day, okay. So I called in sick. I'm like, I'm not feeling good today. I want to make it in. So we're shooting, and we have a scene in a river where I have to go out on these rocks, and I'm taking pictures, and TK is set up there with his camera. Everything is all set, and they're like, okay, you go walk out on those rocks over there. I'm like, okay, no problem. Like stepping out on these rocks, and I'm out there, and they're like way over there on the shore, and I'm standing in the middle of the river, which is okay. I mean, I can swim, so I wasn't too afraid. But we're shooting, and I kind of noticed like the rocks that I came in on, I couldn't see them anymore. They were disappearing. The rocks were going under the water. And I think TK realized at the same time, he didn't want to panic me, but they had opened up the dam upstream. So the water was just like coming up, and they're like, okay, we're done. We got our shot, come back. So anyway, I made it back, I survived, but we ended up having to shoot another day. So I had to call the next day. I was like, I'm still not feeling good. My head is hurting. It must be malaria. So, but having the opportunity to work with someone who's a legend, who's epic in the industry, and me, I'm not Nigerian. If you didn't notice, I'm a visitor here, and to come here as a visitor, and to suddenly get an opportunity to work with someone who's just a legend in the industry, I mean, I'm incredibly honored and really, really thankful that I had the opportunity to work with TK. And I've been on several sets in Nigeria. I was in 6 films last year, 2 TV shows. Like I said, everyone needs a token white guy. And usually the set is hot, it's sweaty, there's no food, there's a lot of yelling, things are breaking, it's always stressful, and you're trying to stay in character when everyone around you is screaming. Well, this is completely the opposite of the experience, what it was like working with TK. I mean, it was fantastic. We're in this village, it's beautiful, serene setting. Even we're shooting a festival, and everyone is dancing around and singing, and it's a party, and I'm just like, hey, it's a party. And then I see, like, TK is getting his shots. I'm like, he's just there, just getting the shots. No yelling, no screaming, everything is just happening. So his skill as a filmmaker, I mean, I hope that he's passing this legacy on to the people, who come up underneath him, because I've never seen someone work like that, where he's very calm and really just sort of is there, and his presence just makes everything happen. It was an incredible experience, and I really, really appreciate it. Anyway, so you're going to get to see the film. I haven't seen the film yet. I'd be excited to see it, but I have a meeting I have to run to. I'm going to come back. Hopefully I'll catch the trail in. But I really, really appreciate this opportunity. And TK, thank you so much for making my life seem like some kind of dream that I hope I'll never wake up from. So thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe, because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.